All right, everybody, we're going to be jumping into this MotoStars video. We're going to go over some crashes and close calls. We're going to try to figure out what happened and how it happened, and we're going to utilize the plan method during this. But before we jump into this, there is a huge sale going on right now at Cardo, 25% off site-wide. Saturday and Sunday, this weekend only, 25% off everything except for the Pack Talk Pro. They never do discounts for the Pack Talk Pro, but this weekend they're doing 15% off of the Pack Talk Pro. Guys, 25% off is the best sale that they ever do in the year. You have to use the code DDTF. It's linked in the description. You have to use the code to get 25% off, but they never do that. Usually the code only works for 10% off. 25% off is the most they ever do. Huge discounts. Make sure you guys grab one. Here we go. We're going to jump into this side of the day. Oh, layer down.
Hey everyone.
All right, let's see what happens. Ooh, please wear gloves.
Some crazy situations
please wear gloves.
these riders had to deal with. It's really worth learning from the mistakes of other riders.
This is a great area to practice your riding, though.
So check this out.
Oh, don't. He's trying to practice wheelies. Oh, wear gloves. Wear gear. Honestly, if you're gonna be doing wheelies, you're taking the risk of crashing your bike, your body too. Wear gear. Honestly, I wouldn't even practice wheelies unless I have like crash bars on my bike, full gear on me. So he's in pain. He's in pain. So wear gear. Come on, guys. You guys know that. Who's that? Was she following? Yeah, things are broken. He's walking around, checking the paint. All right. What do you think is going to happen here? I can already tell. Speed wobbles. It's going to be speed wobbles. So what happens there? Suspension's getting all crazy. You're going too fast. You're outrunning. Your tires are messed up. We talk about speed wobbles all the time. All you can really do at this point, roll off the throttle and hold on. It sucks. Let's see what happens. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, jeez. Oh. Right in the line. Right in the line. Oh. Got lucky. Slow it down at this point. I think it's because we're racing. I mean, if we're going fast and this car in the video is going the same speed, I think we were racing. Let's see. I think we were racing. Trying to catch up, maybe. Maybe we slowed down enough. But we're going way too fast, guys. Come on. Way too fast. Oh, geez. Had to layer down. So we talk about positioning for... Let's just watch this part. Positioning for safety and finding those escape paths. Let's see. When is he going to blow up? Is he going to blow up right here? And there he goes. He blew up. All right. So we had to layer down. We're going to slam that front brake. We're going to dump the bike. Okay. So when it comes to escape paths, intersections, hard to see a lot of this stuff. We're going to have to do something. Not in the grass, but you got to swerve. You got to swerve. Or at least do progressive braking and not slam the brakes. Progressive braking, nice squeeze, more. Not boom, all 100%. 10, 20, 30, 40, and then now you could probably do the last 50, 60% real quick. ABS would have helped in this situation, but yeah, he just straight dumped that. It locked up the front tire, and it started sliding, and you don't get traction, and you're gonna fall down. It's like you're sprinting, and then like you're on wet grass, and your shoes aren't cleats or anything; they're just flat, and you just immediately stop your feet. That's what this is happening. Had to layer down happening. You slam your feet down, you try to stop, and you slide and fall down. So you know how you're supposed to stop. You're supposed to like slow down and stop. That's progressive braking. That's what ABS does. Here he just slammed it, slid, fell. So make sure you guys practice your braking in a parking lot. Okay. All right. Rain. Okay. Probably get some cold. Low visibility. You see all the... Oh, geez. Good swerve. What the heck happened here? So his tires... You never know what's going to happen. His tires are probably a little bald. He slid too. So he slammed the brakes and went slipping and sliding. So as soon as this rider saw this, did a really good job escaping. It could be sleet, or it could be ice on the road too. Maybe the tires aren't bald. Road surface hazards, right? Did a great job swerving to the right to avoid this. So very good OC crash. Very good. Good swerve. Good swerve. Hey, this just happened. April 15th.
This bike
Sharp right
admitted that
turn.
oil on the road was the main reason for his fall. Fortunately, he wasn't hurt at all.
Looks like California. Oh, could be. Could be oil on the road because he wasn't speeding. He was just kind of cruising. I don't think he slammed the brakes. Definitely could have been oil. This is why we wear gear, guys, because we're not going to be in this much pain, hopefully, at a slow speed crash like that. Damn, that sucks. Oh, you can see, like, it's a little shiny. Damn. Trying to get a... Yeah, look at that. Not good. What can you do in this situation? Not much. Not much. Hopefully we're full gear so it doesn't hurt as much.
Yeah, man, thank you.
That's gonna be hard. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Lift with your lower back and twist. Yeah. All right, having some fun here. What was that sign? One sec. What was that sign? Okay. All right, we're passing. Oh, geez. Somebody's cutting that corner pretty quick. Oh, crashing. So at this point, you can turn around and rescue that rider, but make sure you ensure your own safety. But let's just watch this. I can already see the side of the vehicle. We have to slow down. This is an intersection, so intersections are dangerous for motorcyclists. So whenever you get to an intersection, you ever get to a corner, just be prepared. Just be prepared. Okay, here's the corner and intersection. That's, oh, geez. Oh, please don't hit the car. Please don't hit the car. Ooh.
These were definitely way too difficult road conditions for such risky riding. Too much speed and
I don't know about risky. I mean, he's just kind
aggressive lean
of cruising.
lose control of
A little bit fast. But then again, I mean, we're 33, I'm assuming like maybe miles an hour. Not that fast. It's just the road surface hazard's pretty terrible.
the bike.
I don't know why we dumped the bike, though. He doesn't have his hands on the brake. It just kind of fell. So rear tire slipped out some reason. Could be oil, road surface hazard. Maybe the rear brake. He slammed the rear brake. Hopefully that's not his body, is it? All right, here we go. What do we got here? Getting a little close to this vehicle. I don't like that. Okay, there's the side of the vehicle. Oh, geez, good swerve. Good swerve. That was really good. I nearly crashed 3 times in one ride. What went wrong? If you nearly crash 3 times in one ride, start looking at yourself as the common denominator. The 25% off starts Saturday, Sunday. Right now, it's only 10% off because we're filming this on Friday. So you're gonna have to wait a little bit. DDTF. 2 D's, a T as in Tom, F as in oh, we're about to crash. Good job. Applied some progressive braking. Did fine. Saved himself. This is a success. It's a close call, not a crash. So his skills saved him. Now, when we I almost crashed 3 times in this one ride, our skills not there yet. So we need to slow it down going into these curves. Okay, so right here, perfect example of why I want you guys position off to the sides. Is because if your skill set is definitely not there, you're going to need a good position because your total stopping distance isn't going to be that great because your progressive braking isn't that good. But if you do have the skills, guess what? You're even better because now you're in a good position. So right here, I'd be over here. I don't want to be right behind a vehicle because this is all I have to work with. If I'm off to the side, I can almost lane filter the whole way if I need to. So we get up to here, there's the brakes. Now we're having to stop behind the vehicle. If we were off to the side, and we couldn't stop until like right here, guess what? We stopped right there. If we were behind them and we couldn't stop until right here, guess what? We're in the back of this vehicle. Off to the side. Ooh, yeah. Is that James Bond? Oh, geez, that's nice. So don't stay right behind a vehicle. Stay off to the sides a little bit. And even if you're not all the way off to the side, you're still off to the sides. You're not in the middle because then it's an easier swerve. All right, what do we got here? Can't see much around these hedges, so there might be traffic. Oh, it's a turn that we weren't prepared for, and we panicked a little bit. So this looks a lot like a new rider, and that's perfectly fine. This is how you guys are learning. But I want you to, if you start having this out in traffic, go back to a neighborhood. Go back to a neighborhood. Or start realizing, hey, my turning skills aren't there yet. Or, hey, my braking skills aren't there yet. Or my in-traffic riding strategy isn't working out for me. But yeah, this looks like a new rider. That's fine. It happens, but it's scary. And the problem with motorcycle riding is that if you make these mistakes consistently and you do crash,
what's wrong with me today?
There's a chance that you could be crashing. Now, if he's not normally like he's an experienced rider, he might be tired. His brain might be tired. He might be focused on other things. He might not be paying attention.
Oh, what is wrong with me today?
So pay attention too. Oh, geez. So corners once again, guys. Oh, went a little too fast in the corner, and he is off to the side. So trying to keep up with your buddies, not a big idea. He just blew up and everything. So if you guys are riding in a group and it's like, hey, I'm scary, or this is scary, I'm going too fast, tell everybody, hey, slow it down, or I'll meet you at the coffee shop or where we're going to get the food. Just tell them that. Get yourself a cardo. Links in the description. Use code DDTF for 25% off the Cardo Pack Talk Edge or 15% off the Cardo Pack Talk Pro. And this has crash detection on it. So if you do crash, I mean, you can it'll at least call somebody for you.